Once upon a time in the quaint town of Willowbrook, there lived a brilliant mathematician named Professor Evelyn Reed. She was renowned for her keen intellect and her ability to solve even the most perplexing mysteries using nothing but numbers and logic. Willowbrook, though peaceful on the surface, was a town teeming with secrets waiting to be unraveled, and Professor Reed had made it her mission to unveil them all. One sunny morning, a commotion in the town square caught the professor's attention. A large crowd had gathered around a curious object, an old, weathered chest with intricate engravings on its surface. Legend had it that the chest was a relic from a bygone era, and it was said to contain the most valuable treasure the town had ever seen. But there was a catch: it could only be opened by solving a series of intricate numerical puzzles. Professor Reed, her curiosity piqued, stepped forward and examined the chest. The engravings were adorned with mathematical symbols and cryptic messages that seemed to defy explanation. She decided to take on the challenge, much to the delight of the townsfolk. For weeks, Professor Reed delved into the mysteries of the chest. She pored over ancient manuscripts and consulted dusty tomes in her extensive library. Each day, she deciphered a new layer of the puzzle, using her formidable knowledge of mathematics and logic. The townspeople watched in awe as the professor's chalkboard filled with equations and diagrams, gradually revealing the path to unlocking the chest. As Professor Reed made progress, the townspeople became increasingly involved. They offered their own insights and observations, and a sense of camaraderie grew within Willowbrook. Neighbors who had barely spoken before now came together to collaborate on the enigma, and children began to see the magic in mathematics as they watched the puzzle unfold. Finally, after many weeks of tireless effort, Professor Reed pieced together the last part of the puzzle. With a triumphant smile, she adjusted the final gear, and the chest clicked open, revealing the long-lost treasure inside. A collection of ancient artifacts, gold coins, and a book of mathematical secrets that had been hidden for centuries. Willowbrook celebrated the professor's success with a grand festival, and Professor Reed was hailed as a hero. But more than the treasure, it was the spirit of unity and the newfound appreciation for mathematics that truly enriched the town. Willowbrook became known as the place where mysteries were solved not with swords or magic but with numbers and logic. Over the years, Professor Reed continued to solve mysteries both big and small, using her extraordinary skills. Willowbrook became a hub for scholars and thinkers from all over the world, drawn by the allure of unraveling the town's enigmas and the wisdom of Professor Evelyn Reed. And so, the legacy of Willowbrook lived on, a testament to the power of numbers and logic in solving the mysteries of life.